Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to mirror image. To mirror image, we can use the flip tools. As example, I will insert the image. You can go to insert, click picture and use this device. So we'll insert this image. You can change for the layout option. I will use in the front of text and you can resize the image. You can copy and paste, move to the right, and paste again, move to the bottom here. Now I will mirror in this image into horizontal. You can select the image, go to rotate in arrange, and you can use the flip horizontal to mirror the image. I will use again this image into flip the vertical, click rotate, and then click flip vertical. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to mirror image. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.